I'm Angie Greenup, and today we're at an organic container garden because everyone knows that fresh natural ingredients are crucial to a wholesome diet. Tell me about how you garden in these containers.
It's actually easier than planting in the ground because you got control of your size, and especially the depth, which is the most important. You can grow just about anything, whether it's corn or potatoes, okra, whatever it might be.
What are some specific benefits to doing a garden in a container like this?
You know what's great is this was a parking lot and we built this garden here. So, it can happen anywhere.
It's beautiful. Tell me why organic is important to you.
For your health and to make the earth sustainable.
This tastes different than what I would buy at the store. It's just crisp and light. It doesn't have any of that bitterness that sometimes green beans can have.
A lot of times my favorite things are the things that most people discard. The greens from the beets, the leaves from the broccoli. Most people will just take these leaves and throw them away, but essentially this has broccoli flavor but the density of kale. I mean, we use everything here. We're not gonna spend 3 months to grow it and then just throw it away, so you find creative ways to use the scraps, the things that people don't usually use.
Growing your own food is a great way to know exactly what you're putting in your body. Be sure to tweet us pictures and recipes from your garden using #AetnaMyHealthy or create a healthy tile on whatsyourhealthy.com. Now my green thumb and I are getting out of here.